Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Shakira. The topic I'd like to talk about is an unforgettable trip. If there was one trip in my life that was unforgettable, it would be my trip to Korea with my mother. It was also my very first time abroad. I still feel the excitement every time I recall this trip. Although it was snowing when we got there, my entire body felt as if it was boiling with anticipation. The first thing I wanted to try was skiing. I soon realized the ski boots were very heavy. I was not very graceful on skis. I kept the question into people, but everyone laughed. It must have been a funny sight. Making kimchi was one of the most awesome experiences I could also share. It is a traditional Korean dish made from some select vegetables with varied seasonings. You must put the cabbage into the salt water and let it stand for 12 hours. Drain the cabbage and mix the spices. Every minute of the trip inspired me and created memories to last a lifetime. The mountain views seemed to be heavenly made. When I look back, I only wish I had more time to enjoy this experience. And I promise to return to Korea again one day because this trip was so amazing and unforgettable. I did enjoy my Korea trip. And I hope you enjoyed hearing all about it. Thank you.
好，掌声，谢谢。